There are 2 days of the week, upon which and about which I never will. 2 happy days kept sacredly free from fear and apprehension. One of these days is yesterday, with all its pains and aches, all its faults and blunders, that pass forever beyond the reach of my recall. Save for the beautiful memories, sweet and tender, that linger like a perfume of roses in the heart of the day that has gone. I have nothing to do with yesterday. It was mine, it is God. And the other day I do not worry about is tomorrow, with all its possibilities, adversities, its burdens, its perils, its Lord's promise. Its sun will rise in rosy splendor, or behind the mass of clouds. There is then for myself, then, but one day of the week today. Any man can fight the battles of today. Any woman can carry the burdens of just one day. Therefore, I think and I do and I journey for but one day at a time. And while faithfully and dutifully I run my course and work my appointed task on this one day, God Almighty takes care of yesterday and tomorrow.
Yay!